My video tutorial is now about getting rid of the pop-up windows and scary alerts related to the site Renew-subscription.info. Renew-subscription.info is a dangerous site which may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site tries to make people basically scared about the condition of their computers in order to make them download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Renew-subscription.info site, do not trust them. Do not install what these pop-ups actually promote, because such pop-ups are not related to any decent security software. You need to leave this page right away. I also urge you to scan your system additionally with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system in order to detect and remove other threats which could possibly still remain stealthily on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.